Okay, folks, a little how-to for everybody. Just working on Buddy's rat rod bike here, and been sitting in the rain for years, and I've been just tinkering with it a bit. Drivetrain's working so-so. Some tight links in there. Sprayed some rust check on that. We got it loosened up, pumped up the tires, and things are rolling. So I figure it was worth a little cleaning. So everybody asking a lot of times how to get rust off of chrome, and they're doing the bicycle restorations. So here I did one side real quick, and the other side still got quite a bit of rust on it. I don't know if you can see that very good. I'm not going to do anything too fancy. It's not a full restoration here. So my camera kind of sucks. But I did already spray it with the magic juice. This stuff right here, best thing. I've been restoring bikes and junk for a long time. Rust check. Try and get a good picture of it there for you. But anyhow, it's kind of, I don't know. It's not WD, but WD does the same kind of thing. But this is a real rust inhibitor, and anti-rust treatment. So you just spray that on. I had some on there already. When I'm doing really fancy stuff, I really just use my fingernail and I take my time, but this is just a rat rod. So got some old steel wool, rub the rust check around, rub it in there good. And the really good chrome on the old bikes stands up like you wouldn't believe. I hear about all these acid baths and all this stuff. Whatever, if you need to do that, do it. But this $10 can of rust check, as you can see, is just taking this stuff right off. All the surface rust is coming off like nothing. You can see it in here. Brutal filmer. Anyways, I'll just try and do that real quick. We can get into the nooks and crannies. Take a little more time, but this is just a quick example of how good this rust check stuff works. I don't know if you can get it in the States. You get it up here in Canada real easy. Lots of places sell it. Canadian Tire's all over the place. They sell this stuff. And you just want the basic original one. They got some paint versions for when you're treating under your car, and then just wipe it off with a rag. Like I say, we're getting the nooks and crannies later, but give me a break on an acid bath. Even take this thing off. I didn't even take the tire off. The chrome is shining. It's like an icicle. And someone will be riding around town on this low rider bicycle. Anyways, there you go. Peace.